Good morning, folks. Well, it's that time again. But today it's going to be curry turkey necks. I only bought these because I saw those on sale and I had a couple of turkey necks. I think the other one's deep down in the belly of the monster, the deep freezer, and I wasn't going to go. But I did find one that I could use. So I'm going to basically take this turkey neck, you know, throw it right up in this pot like that. And that one was already. I'm going to go wash these off. These are fresh out of the package. Then we're going to put it in there and we're going to go move forward. Okay, so turkey necks is done. We're just going to put some chicken broth up in this. And this is going to be on Instapot duty today. Now, we put it in the Instapot and let them cook. Step 2. So, this is a continuation of the continuation. Curry, curry turkey necks. So, let me go ahead and get these turkey necks out of this Instant Pot. Yeah, buddy. Get these turkey bones up in this black flick. I'm going to then. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is, that's the turkey necks, right? I'm going to season these with some tamarind and curry powder. Be right back. Peeps, so we got a little curry. A little tamarind. Oh, yeah, you can see it the other way. So what I do is after I cook these, I go re-clean the Instant Pot and filter anything that fell apart. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to reinsert all this chicken broth that was used to make this. So I'm going to pour this right back on top of here. Little poultry seasons, just a tad bit. You don't really want much because you're using mostly curry. So. And I'm going to put this back in the Instant Pot, but I'm going to let this sit here for a little bit and marinate. You can actually use okay. So what are we going to add next to this? Very well. Here we go. To the show. I'm going to go ahead and cut me up some of these onions. if I had some tomato, I mean not tomatoes, if I had some, I just thought of something. That's not usually in traditional, but nothing I make is traditional, so it is what it is. Cut up some celery. You know, I always gotta have my onions. I'm gonna have to cut up some more. That may not be enough. You can never have too much onions. I don't care what anybody tell you. But they say you can't. You can have too much. Don't believe them. Tell them Ron said eat as much onions as you want to. Very good. Look at that. Now, I'm trying to think what else do I want to put in here. I'm just going to transfer this back over to the pot. You can smell the curry in it. And I'm going to let this simmer. But you know something? I don't feel that there's enough onions in here. So I'm going to add some more. And I think I'm going to serve this. I'm trying to think. There's two ways I can do this. I can literally serve it with rice and add the rice to it. Or I'm thinking maybe of just making the rice separate and pour it on top of the rice, which is what I'm thinking more of. So you have that separation of taste when it comes to eating the curry turkey necks and the rice, so that it all doesn't blend together and taste like the same. All taste the same, because then the rice would inherit the taste of the curry. And then you just feel like you're eating just curry everything. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to let it simmer. We'll put it back in the Instant Pot, not on steam, because the meat's already done. I'm just going to let it simmer. Get all the juices and stuff to get in and have a good old time with themselves. And then we're going to do a quick taste test. I'll be back with you. Peeps, quick sniff test. Smells like curry. Curry neck, turkey neck bones. That's a neck bone. Now I've had curry before, but never as turkey neck bones. Wow. I don't know what that noise was. I'm gonna get that one neck bone out so it stops ending up in my fork. This, wow. I don't know what made me decide to make curry neck bone, turkey neck bones. But let me tell you, I made the rice separately, which I think was an excellent idea. I let it cook to the, wow, this is really nice. Turkey curry neck bones. Whoever thought this was possible? Only with Cooking with Ron. This is absolutely, this is really good. Because you never think that turkey, curry flavored turkey would taste like anything, but this is really, okay. Let's talk about the specs. Turkey, generally, is fairly healthy. It's a bird. The only thing that really makes this unhealthy is the rice. Now, you can use cauliflower if you want to, I'm not a fan of cauliflower. But you can use it if you want to eradicate the carbs that's in the rice. God, that is so good. But the tamarind and the curry offers lots of health benefits. So yes, 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 yes. Oh, that's so good. Taste-wise, how would I rank it? This is about a 9. This is absolutely... Now, here's my problem. I messed up and told my son he could have the rest of it without tasting it. And now I'm feeling like I'm regretting that decision. Because it came out better than I anticipated. I know it was... Curry dishes are pretty decent. But I never thought that curry turkey necks would be so freaking delicious. Gosh, you guys gotta try this. Get you some turkey necks, tamarind, curry, poultry season. I think that's all I really added. I added some onions, celery, and onions. Onions, celery. Oh, and the green onions. That's what I added. That's all I added, and some chicken broth. Cooked the neck bones, drained the stuff, cleaned the pot up, redid it, put it all in, add the curry and stuff into it. Boom, 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 and then you come out with something that tastes like it fell from the stars. Oh, this is absolutely delicious. All right, family. You don't need to hear me over here drooling at the mouth like a bastard hound, but this is absolutely delicious. Again, this is curry turkey necks. You gotta try this. Until next time, family, you take care of yourself. This is Ron O Cooking with Who? Ron? Yes.